Well, I did make my plate, you guys. Yes, yes, yes. Now, this is what you call Southern cooking. With butter bean, rice, uh, the smoked pork, hock, HOCK. Yes, yes, yes. And if you want to see how I cook my dinner, you guys keep watching this video. And this is some of the food that I grew up on. You know what I'm saying? That's jalapeno and onions and garlic all in. Oh my God, that broth. Even though you see a little broth right there, but even though you don't see it, if I would have put it in a bowl, I would have had more broth. But I didn't want to go there because I want you guys to see the rice and everything. But anyway, this is my dinner, Southern style. I guarantee. Anywho, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. I even left some little fat on there. Share with your friends and family. Subscribe, like, comment below if you have any questions. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, let me move my fork out of her. Okay, if you want to see the next upload video on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on. Oops, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day. Be safe. And you see this right here, you guys? See this? That's that fresh garlic. Ah, I love garlic. But you see? And it's so soft and tender. Yes, yes, yes. Yep, yep, yep. Um, yep. This is my dinner. My southern food dinner. Lamb, butter bean, and with the meat, I just said it. I'm not gonna keep repeating myself, okay? But I'm gonna go ahead and take some picture, some image of my plate picture. Oops, sorry about that. Hope you guys make this. And then again, like I said, if you guys wanna see how I make this meal, just keep watching this video. Or this remind me when I was growing up. Yes, yes, yes. Good eating. Southern food. Soul food, southern food. Yes, indeed. All right, so let me show you guys what I'm drinking on. Sorry about that. Okay, and this is what I'm drinking on, you guys. Coca-Cola. And you know what? If I was so tired, I would have baked me some cornbread, but I didn't feel like it. You know what I'm saying? I just want something real quick and easy. You guys will see how quick this meal was. You keep watching this video to see how I cook it, okay? And I'm ready to get busy because I don't want my food. You know what? I'm going to use a spoon first. Give y'all the first bite if you go with the man. Oops, sorry. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that meat. Oh, that's so tender, God. And it's well seasoned, I guarantee. Oh, my goodness. Go ahead. You guys can get that bite. Ball. Got it? Okay. That's good. Wow. There you guys go. You guys get another bite. I don't mind. All right, so let me get out of here, you guys. And if you want to see how I cook this, just keep watching this video. Because I just took that first bite and my goodness, I am starving now. All right. I'll see you guys in the next upload video. All righty.
Everybody should know that's how love goes. It's good for the soul. Oh, I got a long way to go, but it won't stop the pain. No, that's the kind of thing that keeps me coming back again and again. Till I see your face, I won't be satisfied.
Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my cooking channel. I just had a taste of this meat. I don't know what. You just have to watch to see what I'm gonna make out of this. It's the smoke. Here's the name of it. It's the smoked ham. Smoked pork. Okay, that's the name of it. The smoked pork hock. I just had a taste of this, so I don't know. You just have to just showing you the main ingredient. But you just have to stay tuned to see how I'm gonna cook this. Okay? So who knows? I know I'm from the South. Back in the South, they just used to eat this with, they boil it, let the meat get tender, and just add onions. You know. So that's, I don't know, that's what I might do. Okay? But you have to stay tuned to see how this gonna turn out. So again, you guys, I'm gonna, this been boiled for like an hour. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change my water, because I'm trying to get most of some of the fat from the meat. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Okay, so stay tuned for the next clip to see how this gonna turn out. Okay, all right. So I just changed. I'm going to go empty this and put some more fresh water. All right. Okay, you guys, this is the season that I'm using for my meat. So if you want to pause it and jot down, if you ever want to cook the, yeah. That's the season I'm gonna add to my meat. Okay, so my meat came back to a boil. We got clear, fresh water. clear the water is. So now I'm going to add my season. That's the black pepper. Okay, now put the top back on. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna cut up some fresh garlic, chive, pepper, and the onion to go in my pork. Okay. Okay, I put my onions and pepper and garlic in. Okay, and then my scallop. Let it finish cooking. So this is what I decided to do. I add some butter beans with my meat. And then I cook some rice on the side. So yeah, kind of more like a, if you want to say a bean soup, but pretty much, you know, that's what it is. But I just want to come back to show you guys what did I add, you know, with my smoked pork hock. Okay. Just want to come back to show you guys that. And now this ain't well, I use because I want to do something real quick. So show you guys. Oh, that flavor is, this is very spicy too. Let me show you. Okay, then the butter bean, you know, that I use. I use 2 cans. Yep. And that is my dinner. Quick and easy. Down in the South, they used to call this a poor man meal. If you from the South, you know what I'm talking about. Yes, yes, yes. You definitely know what I'm talking about. And that's my dinner. I'm not gonna cook no cornbread. I just want something quick to eat. Okay, so this is my rice. The rice on the side. And that's it. All that good butter. Hope this meal inspire somebody. Because all this meal that I'm cooking, I grew up on. I guarantee. Yep. Okay, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. To show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Just write it in the description box. And if you wanna, and if God, I think I did say if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. By that being said, you guys have a blessed day. Be safe. Till then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Now, sometimes people, when they this kind of meat, they'll pull the skin off of it. No, but I'm not gonna do that because I could just take it off when I make a bowl of my bean soup and with the rice. Okay. Alrighty. Yep, yes. And sometimes people eat the skin. I know them Vietnamese people, they eat everything. They eat the skin and everything. And back in the day, my father used to eat that too. You know? But that's my dinner, you guys. Okay, along with my steamed rice. My butter steamed rice. Alrighty. Ta-ta. But I'll show you guys. I might show you guys when I make my plate. Okay? Alright. Until 10, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye.